We'll guide you through how to blur the background in OBS. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to go and have the background blurred, perhaps you just want yourself to go and pop out more. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. You can see at the moment here, my background isn't really blurred, it's slightly, but not much. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure this full guide, you don't skip anything as you may miss something important. So to go and get started, you need to go and open a web browser of your choice. I'll use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. Now we're just on Google. You want to go and type in OBS background removal. Go and search for this, and you want to come to the plugin at the top. Now what you want to do is go and press go to download to the right, scroll down, and you want to go and find the zip, and you want to go and click on it, and it will go and download. Wait for it to complete, and what you can do is go and open up your downloads folder. And as you can see here it is. Select it and press extract all and press extract. This should open up and you want to go and find the folder, and you want to then go and right click and you can go and copy it. Come over to the left, you'll probably need to scroll down and press this PC and come into local disk and then program files. At the top here, just go and click so you can go and change the address, remove files and type in program data, one word like so, and press enter. In here, you need to scroll down, find OBS Studio, double click on it, come into plugins, right click, and then go and paste in it like so. Now, what you need to do is go and close OBS, and you want to go and reopen it again. Right click on the camera in sources and press filters. Come into effect filters and press the plus and press background removal and press OK. It'll be black, but start increasing it to increase the blur more. That's it. Blur it to the level you want, and you can press close.